making dinosaur. It's a complicated one. You have it right. Liam, you did it right. Yes. Good job. Z. That's right. And then what's after the Z? Yes, good job. Put that under the Z. Good job. What's next to the blue rectangle? What's after that? What's next? Good job. Keep going. Good job. Here, let's push these a little bit over here. Okay? There you go. There you go. Okay, keep going. And then what? Okay, go ahead. Liam make. Mommy help. Here. This one. On top over here. Okay. What's next? What's next? Where's the green rectangle? There you go. Yes, good job. Next. What's next? Yeah. Oh, I think this one goes next right here. Like this. There you go. There you go. Okay. What's next? Keep going. Good job. Oh. Liam, that goes. Look what's missing here. Where's the big green rectangle? Where's the big green rectangle? There you go. There you go. Good job. Keep going. Yep. Good job. What shape is that? What shape is that, Liam? What is that?
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Good job. There you go. You got it. Okay. Keep going. Right here. Let's turn this around, okay? It goes like this. There you go. Where's the arm? Where's the dinosaur arm? Look, where's the dinosaur arm? Here. Look, where's the dinosaur arm? Put it on. Put it on. Can you see? How do you put it on? Look. Look at the picture.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur, you did it! Knuckles. Good job, Liam. You did a dinosaur.